Hi, I'm Tudge, Framework Operations Manager for Griffiths. Due to the pandemic, it's been more difficult over the last 18 months to engage with schools and communities. Now we're returning to some normality, we're eager to get back out into the local areas and do what we can to offer help and assistance to the people around us. We recently received a letter from Albury Park Primary School here in Worcester telling us they were looking to create a quiet area and reading den for their Year 6 pupils. We were more than happy to donate this summer house, and we have operatives here today working with pupils to construct some raised flower beds. Are you having fun, kids?
Hi, I'm Tim Williams, Assistant Vice Principal at Albury Park Primary School. It's been great working with Griffiths on our current project, and we look forward to welcoming them back into school in the future to talk about routes into the construction industry.